On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Instagram I'm not a robot problem easily and fast. So the first way, guys, is you have to open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps and then go to the Instagram. Now you have to click on the storage or the internal storage right here, as you can see. After you click on it, you will find the total and the app and the data informations right here. All what you want to do now is click on clear data. After you click on clear data, that's the first way and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then there is the second solution, which is you have to remove Instagram from your phone by clicking on uninstall and then go to the Play Store and reinstall it again. And the third way and the last one is you have to update your Instagram in the Play Store easily and fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.